then why are you quoting a rap group when there are people like Paul McCartney out there who are just fire right now? I got 3 different ideas for children. Get the good time out of the closet.
Okay guys, so here they are. They weren't very sweet, so I had to add some brown sugar and a little bit of this for some extra flavor. Just a little though. Oh no, I put a little bit too much. I'm recording, but there it was. There it was. Yes, it's so good.
I just keep it playing up. I put on that shit, I got that drip on this thing. I put on that shit, I got that drip and it's all vibration. Now my music say, hey, turn away. Hey, get all my shit on my coat bag. Hey, take you on that shit on that coat bag. Eat on that dick, I love coat bag.
This shit is packed. You see this shit? Well, it's not packed right here, but ask your mama, ask your grandmama. This shit is packed. This is fucking crazy. You see this? Oh my god! You see that? That's too short, baby. You can't get through. Ah!
And remember this, if that nigga's name ain't too short, don't let him call you a bitch.
We're leaving the festivities. Shit got too turned. Simply. It simply got too turned. And we had to leave. We couldn't even see Jasmine. We couldn't even see Miss Sullivan. Because niggas got too lit. That's what happened. What happened, baby?
It was going crazy out here. It was trying to trample niggas and all types of shit.
They was trying to trample us.
They been
Shit went
crazy.
crazy.
Crazy since.
What the fuck is going on? This is the biggest papaya I've ever seen.
That's crazy.
In my life.
That's crazy.
Cool ass. I should be recording. I'm over here looking around so weird. Oh my goodness. Getting you right there. Not right now. I'll just catch you off guard. If I want you, I'll just be like, hey, the camera.
There go the sun, baby.
this sweater. And I did like the other sweater. I trust your.
Good.
I'm driving the boat.
Captain Jackson. You ready to start? I was gonna start flying, but now we on the boat, baby.
Flying?
We on the boat.
Oh yeah. This is like a pilot hat too, though.
It do look like a pilot hat for real. Still look sexy though. Still look sexy though. Damn, that's crazy.
Look at my baby driving the boat. Yes. Yes, 2 regular blacks on a boat on a Thursday. He asked us what we were celebrating. We said nothing. We just out here. Oh, I'm cute, baby. I wish I could have just witnessed what happened. My captain hat fell off. And with the hat, my wig also fell off. And my drink spilled on me. I turned around as I had my wig cap on. I turned around and the people in the boat behind us were bugging the fuck up. They were weak, but they weren't even laughing at me. But it was the timing. Child, maybe they were. Who knows?
That's how you do it, baby.
It may not look like it, but my wig fell off 15 minutes ago. I just want to say, y'all, be good to the seas, be kind to the seas. Because she not playing with nobody, child. We just had hit some turbulence. No? Recording though.
recording vibes, just getting ready. Yeah, puff out just like that. It's gonna be great for her. Keep that in there like that. Yeah. Hit it again. Hit it again.
Do not let anyone extract our emotions. We will not allow ourselves to be broken down. We are bridging our human heart. Are we ready to digest and rely?
That's crazy.
Okay, we got the California donuts. Okay, so we got horchata, strawberry crumble, 2 of those, and this one is just a croissant glazed donut. Okay. Okay, cool. I was laid down.
That's crazy, baby.
Think it wasn't telling what you do. Everybody go.
Hands over, baby. It was an accident, baby.
That's how it's supposed to be. You start with the queen.
I'm the she. Ooh, I'm the girl. Ooh, girl. I just said I forgot to swap out the genders. I thought I was recording the whole time and I wasn't. So we're on the way to the Trippy summer store. I think that's what it's called. And we are driving to the Caves to get on the other side to Calabasas. And we're all the way at the top of the canyon, at the top of the mountain. It's trippy, y'all, and it's hot as fuck. It's hot as fuck. I hope y'all can see. They have a lot of bushes, I'm pretty sure, so we can't see the way down because it's so far away down. Which is nice. I don't want to see people have horses up here. So you gotta drive very carefully. This is how it is in certain parts of California. Specifically Malibu and Calabasas. Hey,
What's up? How you doing?
good.
What's your name? Voices, eh?
Yeah.
What's up? Tandi.
I want to sit this on top. It's so hot. Oh my gosh, y'all, Will is here. It's Will. Look at him. He's a young boy. Whew. It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees. What are you doing, Evie? Oh no, it's okay. It's already recording. Okay. Come on, baby. I love it. Thank you.
This is the motive, bro. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me load up.
Oh shit. They gotta see that these are pants. Tandy. Tandy.
And if you need them, I got crazy prophylactics. You gotta put me on. Gotta put me on. Gotta put me
Why you going to go play?
Because I am a professional bubble blower. Okay?
Yeah, higher on the spot too.
No. No, I looked at the valve. Just see your right wrist real quick. Going on, it's good to see your beautiful faces here. I'm gonna do a couple songs from my new album, My Father's Son. Is that all right? Yo, who's having a good time tonight? I can't get